Can you guess what will be the output? A, B, C, D. You will get 10 seconds to select correct answer. The correct answer is D. Let's check why is that. Step 1. This line slice 1, 5 creates a new array from numbers, starting from index 1 up to, but not including index 5. This results in sliced equals 2, 3, 4, and 5. Step 2. In this line sliced splice 1, 3, 5 modifies the sliced array in place. Here's how splice works in this context. Number 1 is the start index for splicing. Number 3 specifies that 3 elements starting from index 1 should be removed. Number 5 is the new element to insert at index 1 after removing the specified elements. After executing sliced splice 1, 3, 5, the sliced array becomes 2 and 5 and splice returns the removed elements 3, 4, and 5. So sliced is now 2 and 5. Spliced, the removed elements 3, 4, and 5. So final answer is D. Great job if you got it! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and challenges. See you next time!